Cinnamon challenge.
Ew! Drink it. Swish it around your mouth. Spit out. Keep on doing that.
You know you'll like it.
Swish it around.
Alright, Mom, it's your turn.
Dad's gonna try it.
You gonna try it?
I ain't crazy.
Gotta get a water out here.
Oh, you gotta go pee first.
Oh, looks like I got like a goatee going there. wait, don't rub it off. It's good.
My eyes are watering. Burn.
Yeah, it does. You like it?
It burns?